Finally, a new jailbreak tool called Relaxin has been released for A12 up to A17 chips devices running iOS 17 versions. This new jailbreak supports iOS 17 up to iOS 17.3.1 and it supports iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14 and iPhone 15. This new jailbreak does not require a computer. Relaxin Jailbreak is a roothide semi-untethered jailbreak for A12 devices running iOS 17 up to iOS 17.3.1 and it's currently in beta for testers. Relaxin Jailbreak follows a different philosophy compared to older jailbreak tools. Traditionally, jailbreaks attempted deep system-level modifications. Relaxin appears to learn towards a more controlled method. The announcement of the Relaxin Jailbreak entering its beta phase marks an important step in its development. Early testing demonstrations reveal that a full jailbreak process could be completed in roughly 10 seconds on an iPhone 15 Pro Max. This was achieved using a combination of techniques including the Grover KRW method, a GPU reset via backboard, and the Rocket PPL bypass. The new jailbreak tool has been released by this developer and he announced the Relaxin public beta. This is a public beta, so bugs, instability, and compatibility issues are expected. The development team has also highlighted the role of AI-assisted tools in accumulating reverse engineering and exploit creation while still building on the established foundation of the dopamine jailbreak framework. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download this new jailbreak. Alright, so the first thing you are gonna do is go ahead and go to the official website of the jailbreak tool, which is this one, relaxin.owngoal.dev. Jailbreaking carries inherent risks including data loss, system instability, or unbootable device. So make sure to back up your important data and proceed only if you understand the risks. Here as you can see we have the IPA version and the TIPA version for TrollStore. If you are on iOS 17.0, you must install the TIPA version with TrollStore. If you are on iOS 17.0.1 or up, then install the IPA version with eSign or any other tool. Since I'm on iOS 17.0, so I will download the TrollStore version. Please ensure you have a stable internet connection as the tool needs to download the kernel cache from the internet to build a profile tailored to your device. If a network connection is unavailable, you can manually import the kernel cache using the iOS Files app. Okay, the tool has been downloaded. Go ahead and open the file. Tap the share button and then install it with TrollStore. Okay, installed successfully. Now you should find it on the home screen. This is it. Go ahead and open it. And that's it. This is the new jailbreak tool. In advanced options here you can find more settings like tweak injection, allow JIT in apps, and JETSIM multiplier. I recommend you to not change anything here. Okay, now go ahead and tap on jailbreak to start jailbreaking. Since my device is jailbroken with Nathan LR jailbreak, so I will not use this tool. This may cause some issues or boot loop. So this is the new jailbreak tool. The best thing about this jailbreak is that you don't need a computer to jailbreak your device. Also, support for PPL-based devices is planned for a future update once the initial SPTM focused release reaches stability. PPL-based devices are A12, A13, and A14 chips. You will find the links in the description below the video. And as always, if you find this video helpful, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak videos, and peace.